One of the largest network operators in the UK faced a daunting task, expanding its fibre capacity to support the nationwide broadband network's expansion. This endeavour demanded more than just innovation. It demanded safety, the paramount concern in aerial cable technology. Aerial cables, built tough with high tensile strength and crush resistance, face a critical challenge. They don't break during vehicle strikes or heavy storms. This can lead to pole structure collapses and potential harm to life and property. However, due to their susceptibility to external hazards, tensile strength is non-negotiable. A fragile cable means more repairs, bigger bills, and major headaches. The customer needed a solution that not only met robust safety and performance requirements, but also had to be cost-effective. That's when HFCL stepped in. HFCL's brilliant minds took up the challenge and developed a groundbreaking solution: the 96 fibre count ultra-lightweight aerial cable.
This innovative cable not only met all customer design and performance requirements, but also doubled the fibre count from 48 to an impressive 96. Moreover, HFCL has been granted a patent for this groundbreaking design, a major milestone that underscores our commitment to advancing technology and delivering unmatched value to our customers.
As far as safety is concerned, our 96 fibre count ultra-lightweight aerial cable boasts a minimum tensile strength suitable for installations up to 68 meters. It also has impressive crush resistance and a predictable breaking load range of 1,300 Newton to 2,000 Newton. But the real game changer? The lower breaking range, which allows cable to take the hit first, keeping the pole, property, and people safe in case of a vehicle collision. Moreover, water-swellable yarn is used within the cable core to provide moisture protection and prevent water ingress. This new aerial cable design allowed our customer to take a giant leap in network capacity. They doubled the fibre count while keeping the same cable size and diameter. This in turn resulted in an impressive twofold reduction in their carbon footprint. But that's not all. Our cables come packed with impressive features.
Our cables are PIA approved and tested with PLP and Telenco clamps and require no separate testing with these clamps. Having aced the extra high voltage test up to 15 kilovolt,
these cables are primed for seamless installation alongside existing 11 kilovolt power line poles. HFCL's ultra-lightweight 96 fibre aerial cable solution has transformed our network, enabling us to meet the demands of a digital age. When safety matters the most, choose HFCL. Visit our website hfcl.com to know more.